Welcome to the mesmerizing wonder of the Amazon rainforest, often called the lungs of the earth. Stretching across 9 South American countries, this lush ecosystem plays a critical role in stabilizing the global climate. With its lush canopy of trees, the Amazon rainforest absorbs massive amounts of carbon dioxide and releases oxygen, making it vital for global oxygen production. The Amazon is a biodiversity hotspot, home to an estimated 10% of the world's known species. From jaguars and harpy eagles to poison dart frogs and capybaras, the Amazon teems with life. This intricate web of life sustains the ecosystem and showcases the incredible diversity found nowhere else on Earth. However, the Amazon rainforest faces numerous threats, including deforestation driven by agriculture, logging, and mining. Climate change, fires, and habitat fragmentation also imperil this invaluable natural treasure. These threats have severe consequences for the region and the world, endangering the delicate balance of this vital ecosystem. Efforts are underway to conserve and protect the Amazon rainforest, ensuring its survival for future generations. The Amazon rainforest is home to an incredibly diverse range of animals and birds. Jaguars, the largest big cats in the Americas, have a powerful build and beautiful coat with distinctive rosette patterns. The green anaconda, one of the world's largest snakes, is a non-venomous constrictor often found near water bodies. Poison dart frogs, with their small size and brightly colored bodies, are known for their potent skin toxins. Sloths, slow-moving arboreal mammals, spend most of their lives hanging upside down from trees. Capuchin monkeys, highly intelligent and social animals, are known for using tools like rocks to open nuts. Harpy eagles, one of the largest and most powerful eagles, have a striking appearance and powerful talons. Giant river otters, social and highly vocal, are well adapted to their aquatic habitat and are excellent swimmers. Pink river dolphins, also known as Amazon river dolphins, are freshwater dolphins with a distinctive pink color. The scarlet macaw is a large, colorful parrot known for its vibrant red, blue, and yellow feathers. Toucans are famous for their large, colorful bills and play a vital role in seed dispersal in the rainforest. The hoatzin is a unique bird with a blue face, spiky crest, and chick's claws used for climbing trees. King vultures are large scavenger birds with striking multicolored plumage, playing a vital role in cleaning up carrion. The Amazon horned frog is a large terrestrial frog with a wide mouth and horn-like projections above its eyes. Hummingbirds are known for their iridescent plumage and incredible flying abilities, making them important pollinators in the ecosystem. Sunbitterns are medium-sized birds with striking wing patterns, often found near rivers and streams, and known for their elaborate courtship displays. The Amazon rainforest is teeming with countless species of animals and birds, many of which are yet to be discovered and studied by scientists.